Another easy maintenance project on the 2004 Pontiac Vibe, which is the same 1.8 liter engine that's in the Toyota Matrix and the Toyota Corolla. O2 sensors. Wasn't even going to do a video on this because they're typically very straightforward. This car had a light about 6 months ago, intermittent, for the Upstream O2 sensor. To get the O2 sensor out, it's good to have a hot exhaust or just warm it up with a torch. You'll need an O2 sensor socket. The one here, which is the Upstream, pretty simple to get to. The downstream O2 sensor is the reason I'm doing this video. This will hopefully help you out. This is the sensor out. As you can see, it's got a weatherproof plug there, and it actually goes, pull the carpet back, through the floor, and then connects right there. Pretty simple. Again, heat is your friend to get the O2 sensor out of the exhaust. Doesn't take a lot of heat, just maybe 20 seconds with the torch. Hope this helps. I'll put a link to both the Upstream and this downstream O2 sensor in the video description. Again, it just took just a little bit of heat to get the old one out. One thing of note, that the new ones actually come with anti-seize on the thread, so that's a good thing. This sensor, it's best to feed it from the top. That way it's easier to get the grommet in. So this is a pretty simple job. Probably top and bottom, provided you use a little bit of heat, can be done in about a half hour, even on jack stands. Hope this helps.